running better. Hope today I can perform better.
We follow 5 Hong Kong runners competing in Asia's toughest race. 250 kilometers over 7 days through Mongolia.
Foot sore, then your knee sore, then back to the foot.
This is Drone and Phone. More than 240 runners from 40 plus countries and regions took part in the first Four Deserts race to take place in Mongolia. After a great start to stage 1, Wong Ho Chung, one of Hong Kong's best ultra runners, has rested well and is looking to stay with the front runners.
琴晚瞓得超好啊！我諗瞓咗有大約10個鐘啊！我係最早嗰個瞓啦，亦都係最遲嗰個起身。
Alexandra De Rosa is running to raise money for refugees living in Hong Kong.
It's always the first half that's normally okay, and then let's see if I can get through the second half.
Edward, Alice and her son Kelvin are running as Team Never Give Up. They've had a great start to the event so far.
都唔係輕鬆㗎，今日咧因為爬升都比較多。 It's the second day into the race with a lot of climbing to do today. The runners are starting to feel tired.
咁啊，第二日嘅比賽咧，其實更加競爭激烈啊，同埋刺激。每一個 checkpoint 咧都有一個上落㗎。
The weight of the backpacks on their shoulders is starting to tell, especially when climbing the hills.
都幾辛苦啊，因為有啲爬升啊，同埋覺得好似玩咗一日之後都有啲疲倦，所以冇之前嗰日咁精神，孭住個背囊都仲係好重。
Chung is giving everything he has to take the lead in the race.
咁啊，比賽開始嘅時候，亦都係我哋頭4位選手一齊走，咁亦都係一直一齊走，走到去第3個 checkpoint。 去到最後一個 checkpoint 嘅時候咧，就真係要決勝負啦。因為如果再一齊衝線的話咧，就好難分到勝負咯。於是咧，首先係 Vincent Tay 咧，佢就一個好快嘅速度，最後嗰5K 佢好快咁走，咁於是去追啦。但其實 keep 住一個大約200米嘅距離咧，都係拉唔近嘅，衝過終點。咁我係比佢慢咗43秒嘅。
Alex isn't having the best day either.
I had a bit of an emotional moment up to CP2. I think from the day before, I was feeling kind of emotional or maybe not mentally prepared.
Team Never Give Up enjoyed the race today, remaining in the leading position for the teams at the end of stage 2.
今日天氣都幾好，但係連續第2日負重咧，就覺得個膊頭都幾酸軟，咁所以會再諗下辦法再減磅。
Follow us next week as the runners take on a very different terrain.
聽日咧要上山啦，好陡峭嘅山坡啦，同埋咧要去沙丘。
Will Team Never Give Up keep their position?
咁我哋咧都準備好咗啲爬山杖，咁平時之前幾日冇用咧，聽日都會用噶啦。
Will Alex overcome the mental and physical fatigue?
The main thing for tonight is I want to make sure that I recover well.
And will Chung keep up the chase on the race leader Vincente?
我希望聽日又會有一個更加精彩、激烈嘅比賽，希望天氣都繼續 keep 住咁好啦。
Find out next week on Drone and Phone.
請關注我哋嘅 show，睇翻下一場嘅賽事係點啊！